Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis and I'm in Kirkland, Washington, where I just spotted this 1928 Model T pickup truck. The owner has given me permission to film this video. He's busy right now inside a store. And he strongly implied that it is for sale now, as he asked me if I want to buy it. This obviously is a restoration. (1928) was the first year of Model T Fords, or excuse myself, Model A Ford pickup. Brain fart. So I don't know if the owner will be out of the store soon, so that he could start it up. It wasn't until 1940 that the U.S. government required 2 windshield wipers. But in 1928, I don't think it mattered a whole lot. Hi there.
Hello.
Do you mind if the license plate shows up in the video?
No, I don't care.
Okay, do you mind if you show up in the video?
It's up to you.
Okay, what's your name?
Alan Brandon.
Alan Brandon. I'm Marshall Curtis, and you are on YouTube. This is the owner. Tell me what you can about this, Alan. Did you restore this?
Yes, it's a 1928 Model A pickup.
Okay, I did originally call it a Model T, but I corrected myself.
Well, it's an early Model A.
Early Model
Yeah,
A.
that's the first year of the Model A.
That was also the year my dad was born.
Yeah, the 27 was the last Model T.
Mm-hmm. And how long have you had this, Alan?
I bought it in 2007.
Bought it in 2007. Did you restore it yourself?
Well, it was already complete, but I
Complete.
did rebuild it. In fact, a couple times.
Okay, well, you did a good job. Can you show us the motor compartment and start it up?
Yeah, this side is the best side to show. It's not a real pretty engine, but it is the old 40 horse, 200 cubic inch flathead 4.
It's the original one.
Yep.
And
Yeah, it's this is the gas tank,
mm-hmm.
and the fuel runs downhill to the carburetor, updraft carburetor, but there's no fuel pump. And it has mechanical brakes and 6-volt positive ground, light bulbs for headlights, no sealed beam headlights.
no, those did not come out till 1940, sealed
Right.
beams. And
And there's no rubber fittings or anything, so it'll run on any kind of fuel.
Ford did not go over to juice brakes until 1939.
Right.
You want to start it up?
Sure, I can do that for you.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you for your time here. Now, are you selling this now?
Everything's for sale, isn't it?
Oh. Well,
Got to find the key. Still have to have a key. Retard the spark and take it out of gear, and just like that. It only has to turn over once.
wow.
This is the spark retard advance, so you start it retarded so it doesn't kick back on you, and then you advance as you speed up and start driving. Otherwise, you run it reverse.
Yeah. This is back in the days when you could run the throttle from the steering wheel as well as from the floor.
This is hand throttle.
That's the hand throttle.
Yeah.
And that's the Spark Advance.
That's a Spark Advance retard, yep.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you very much, Mr.
sure.
Brandon, and maybe I'll just film you taking off in it. And
I gotta buy a vacuum cleaner first.
oh, okay. All righty.
Well, enjoy that.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
You bet.
Okay. Bye. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.